Let us solve this tricky differential equation step by step in an easy to follow way. So the given differential equation is dy dx equals x plus y plus 1 all over x minus y plus 1. At first glance, this looks complicated because of the plus 1 terms, right? And eventually, separation of variable is not applicable. But with the right substitution, this problem will become a homogeneous differential equation. So let us begin. First, let us rewrite the given equation. Notice that both the numerator and denominator contain plus 1. Hence, this suggests we can shift the variable x. So we can let capital X be equal to x plus 1. So the numerator and the denominator both contain x plus 1 term. Okay? Then differentiating both sides, we have dx. So the left side is with respect to the uppercase x and the right side is with respect to the lowercase x. So the derivative of x plus 1 is 1, right? So we write dx. So we can now rewrite the differential equation. So dy dx equals x plus y all over x minus y. Okay? Now the equation looks homogeneous because every term is of degree 1. Now, we can use homogeneous substitution. So for homogeneous differential equation, we can use y equals v times x. So v here is a function of the uppercase x. So differentiating both sides, we have dy. So we are differentiating with respect to the uppercase x. So dy dx equals, so we will be using the product rule of differentiation. So we copy b, then take the derivative of x. So that is 1. B times 1 is b plus x times the derivative of b. So we write dv dx. Alright? Now, substitute this into the differential equation. So we are going to use this. So what is dy dx? So dy dx is this, right? So we have v plus x dv dx equals x plus y. So what is y? X plus, what is y? So y is b times x. So b times x all over x minus b times x. So we can factor out x in the numerator and the denominator. So we have v plus x dv dx equals x times 1 plus v all over x 1 minus v, right? And eventually we can cancel out x. So we have v plus x dv dx equals 1 plus v over 1 minus v. Now, let us simplify this. So we can move the b term from left to right. Okay? So x, so we are going to move this v to the right side. So x times dv dx equals 1 plus v over 1 minus v minus v. Okay? So we can simplify the right side by multiplying b by 1 minus v, right? So we copy x dv dx equals 1 plus v minus v times 1 minus v. And all over 1 minus v. Now, let us simplify the numerator. So, x dv dx equals 1 plus v minus b. Okay, let us distribute negative b, multiply negative b by 1 minus b. So, negative b, then plus b squared, right? And all over 1 minus b. Now, let us simplify x dv dx equals 1 plus b squared, right? All over 1 minus b. Now, we can now separate the variables. So in this case, we can now use the separation of variables. So we have 1 minus b. So 1 minus b. So this is capital X, right? So we have 1 minus b. Just interchange this x, and then this 1 minus b, right? So 1 minus b times dv, okay? Just cross multiply, interchange this x, and then by this 1 minus b, and this here, and then dx here, okay? So 1 minus v over 1 plus v square, so that would be dv, right? So v is lowercase, dv equals what? Equals dx over x, right? So we cross multiply. We just interchange this. Don't be confused. So we interchange this by this, right? So we move dx here, and this 1 plus b squared, we move that here, right? And then eventually 1 minus b move here, and x move here. Okay? Now, we can integrate both sides of the equation. We can integrate both sides of the equation. So we have the integral of 1 minus b over 1 plus b squared dv equals the integral of dx over x. So let us take the integral of the left and the right side of the equation. Now, actually we can split the integral into two parts, right? So the left side becomes the integral of 1 over 1 plus b squared dv minus the integral of v over 1 plus b squared dv, right? So we split the integral, equals the integral of dx over x. This is capital X. Now, the first integral is arctangent, right? So if we have 1 plus 1, 1 plus or 1 over 1 plus b squared dv, the integral of that is arctangent. So the first integral is arctangent of v plus c, of course. While the second integral, we can use substitution, right? So we let u be equal to 1 plus v squared, and then taking the derivative, that would be 2v dv, right? So eventually, we have 1 half. So dividing both sides by 2, so we have 1 half du equals v dv. So we are integrating the integral of v dv over 1 plus v squared. So eventually, that would be, what is v dv? V dv is 1 half du. So integral of 1 half du over u, okay? So we can move 1 half here, 1 half integral of du over u. And eventually, the integral of du over u is ln u, right? Ln u. So what is u? So 1 half ln. So we let u 1 plus b squared plus c, of course. Ano? Okay? So, hence, the second integral, so first, let us rewrite the given integral of 1 over 1 plus b squared dv minus the integral of v dv over 1 plus b squared, right? And then eventually the integral of dx over x, right? Is that correct? Okay, right. So the first integral is arctangent of b. Then this is 1 half ln 1 plus v squared equals, okay, the integral of this is ln also, right? Ln x plus c. Okay, now let us substitute. Recall that b, what is b? So let us use this, okay? We can recall that y is equal to v times x. So hence, b is equal to y over the capital X, right? And also, x is equal to x plus 1, right? So capital X is equal to x plus 1. Now, using that, our answer would be arctangent. What is v? v is equal to y over x. So arctangent v is equal to y over x. Y over x, that is capital X, minus 1 half ln 1 plus 1 plus. So that would be y over x square equals ln what? So what is x? X is x plus 1, right? So x plus 1, x plus 1 plus c. Is that correct? X, capital X is equal to x plus 1, okay? So hence, the answer would be arctangent of what? Y over x plus 1. So this is y over uppercase x. So that is x plus 1. Small x or lowercase x plus 1. So arctangent y over x plus 1 minus 1 half ln 1 plus, this is y square over capital letter x square equals ln x plus 1 plus c. So we need to simplify the second term. So arctangent y over x plus 1 minus 1 half ln what? So that would be ln 1 plus y square over x plus 1 then square equals ln x plus 1 plus c. So that is our final answer. And that's how we solve this tricky differential equation using substitution and homogeneous methods. In this video, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Survey for more mathematics tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.